How to add age and guidelines to your Roblox game. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add age guidelines to your Roblox game. Age guidelines help ensure that players are aware of the content suitability for different age groups. This step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to implement age restrictions in your game effectively. So let's get started. So first, open any web browser you want to use. While in the web browser, click the search bar and type create.roblox.com. While you are on the website of the Creator Hub, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already on the website and logged in. After, or if your account is logged in, click the Creations tab on the left side of the screen below the Home tab. While in the Creations tab, choose your creation. You want to add age guidelines. For example, I will choose some random creation option, so I click it. After you open the creation you choose, scroll down until you locate the audience section. After you locate the audience section, click the Maturity and Compliance tab in the audience section. While in the Maturity and Compliance section, the message says that the questionnaire has not started. To start, just scroll down a little until you see the Start button. After you locate the Start button, click it to start the questionnaire. You just have to answer the question where those questions will be the guidelines to generate the age guidelines of your creations, depending on your answer. Adding age guidelines to your Roblox game is a straightforward process that protects both developers and players. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily implement the appropriate age restrictions for your game's content. Remember to review your guidelines periodically and adjust them as necessary to maintain compliance and engagement with your audience. Happy game developing!